What's up, everyone? So before I continue with this project, I'd like to talk about safety. This is calcium carbide, and this is what you use on carbide lamps. It's highly flammable and very corrosive. Extremely dangerous. I don't recommend this to anybody. So, and if you have one and you don't know about it, please make sure you keep it away from children. Even adults, if they don't know, explain it to them that what it is. As far as children goes, you don't want this to be close to them, because as you can see, it looks like a small pieces of rock, and some of them are darker and they look just like pieces of chocolate, you see. And you don't want them to swallow this, or even anyone with a wet hand or close to something wet. It's dangerous. This will dissolve and create acetylene and carbon hydroxide, which is highly flammable again and corrosive, as it says here. So please be careful, and again, I don't recommend this to anybody. Another thing that I'd like to add is fire extinguisher. It's really good to have one. I bought this at the Home Depot for $30. It's a good price for me, and you can find it even online too. Just make sure you read the instructions and to see what kind of fire you can use this for. I highly recommend this. It's very good to have. And that's it. Thank you. So I soldered this part. It's not that bad. There's still a hole here, but that should be fine, because it has this piece of rubber that goes in there and keep it airtight for now, at least until I figure out how I can weld it, because solder it. For some reason they just keep falling out of the hole and won't stick to it. I've never I haven't cleaned it up, so I don't know what's going on. And I didn't do a good job anyway. I know I'm not professional in this, but I'm not going to make it shiny. I'm just gonna clean it up and keep it the old looking. So I'm going to use vinegar, just a normal vinegar.
It's not something I've asked for yet. It's just I want to talk to Naomi. Maybe call it root. Not with me. I'm feeling a lot of emotions. I suddenly feel good, then bad, good, then bad. No kidding, buddy. Let's stay tonight, so I need you. Yeah. We'll win the $20,000. Yeah. We'll be married tonight. Thanks to this. Thanks to you, and to the contest, and of course to Naomi. What's that? Chocolate. That bitter. More than you know. I left everything in the kitchen and it looks perfect. Oh, well, they may have seen us talking about the contest, so they went out first. Yeah, but we didn't get here very well. We'll talk later. Coming back does take a while. Well, yeah, but please, take it down. Take it down. Just a million. Some chocolate ice cream.